Okay, Sounds of Decay 2.
This is Sacrifice with Volume 6. Sacrifice, a moniker synonymous with quality and dedication to the genre. They never tried to write big sports anthems, jump on the new metal bandwagon, or collaborate with hip hop artists. They play thrash metal, and they do it very, very well.
Sure, as a young pizza thrasher, I was a little sad when I heard the tightened technical edge of 87's Forward Determination. Fan as I was of their feral, somewhat wonky debut, Torment and Fire, an album I still love to this day with its over-the-top whammy dive bombs and evil voiceovers like a low-rent Possessed. I got over it quick though, as the band simply crushed it with one quality album after another. Even during Thrash's wilderness years, they delivered the goods on 93's Apocalypse Inside, in a year when grunge and rap were slowly killing off our metal heroes.
After a wise hiatus, Sacrifice knocked it out of the park again with a fantastic reunion album, The Ones I Condemn, finally getting the chance to tour Europe and Japan properly. And now they've dropped yet another ripper, Volume 6. Let's play a song. This is Comatose.
We gave our needs, not me or please. You can't deny, you must complain. You fell down, you will drown. Compelled to survive, barely alive.
Okay, the band is just reaping the rewards of consistency at this point. Urban Addy's evil rasp sounds as glorious as ever, garnishing the iron gallop of the opener you just heard with the perfect refrain of Comatose before the band uncorks top-notch harmonized leads with second guitarist Joe Rico. These Canucks must have been reading my mind because they drop a bunch of Torment in Fire style whammy bar dives over a stellar lurching bass line to kick off Underneath Millenia. The track eventually stutter stepping into a glorious Morse code riff to close it out.
Finally, there's the instrumental, Black Hashish, a curveball that sneaks in a female vocal, some airy Eastern clean guitar melodies, and fretboard gymnastics from Rico and Urbanati that have even the oldest fans tapping their white high tops in ecstasy. Let's close with a question, because why not? In terms of consistency, validity, back catalog, did the Canadian Big Four, Sacrifice, Voivod, Razor, Annihilator, outclass the American Big Four? Talk amongst yourselves. This is Hunger for War.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.